Did you know that in the current digital marketing landscape, consumers' personal data is constantly being collected, analyzed, and sold without their knowledge? It's no wonder people are demanding more control and privacy in the online world. Now, imagine a world where marketing is not only transparent but also privacy focused. A future where consumers have full control over their data and businesses can run their campaigns more efficiently than ever before. Sounds revolutionary, doesn't it? Well, this is the promise of Web3, a new phase of the internet that's going to flip the digital marketing on its head. Hello guys, I'm Yash Mehta and I've been a digital marketer for more than 7 years now. My goal with this channel is to bring you every aspect of digital marketing strategies so that you never have to look anywhere else for all your marketing related queries. In this video, we will explore the biggest challenges that businesses face with traditional Web2 marketing, how Web3 technologies are solving these problems, and most importantly, how you can leverage Web3 to future-proof your marketing strategies in 2025 and beyond. So, hit that subscribe button right away to never miss a video again. Now, without any further delay, let's get down to business. Let's start by looking at the limitations of traditional Web2 marketing. While this approach has powered the digital advertising world for years, it comes with big challenges that are getting harder to ignore. First, heavy reliance on centralized platforms. Think about how much power platforms like Google, Meta, and Amazon hold. They dominate the digital advertising space. This platform controls everything. Who sees your ads, how much you pay, and even whether your campaigns runs. One algorithm change and your months of hard work can go down to the drain. And for smaller businesses, it's even tougher. Competing with larger brands that have millions to spend on ads is like trying to win a marathon on crutches. Second, data privacy issues and lack of customer trust. One of the biggest concerns of digital age is data privacy. In the Web2 world, data is king. But here is the thing. Most of the time, this data is collected without consumers' full knowledge or consent. Companies collect everything, clicks, searches, and even location. And while this helps in creating targeted ads, it comes at the cost of consumer trust. Let's not forget about data breaches. Remember the Domino's India data breach in 2021? It exposed the personal details of millions of customers, including phone numbers, email IDs, and even delivery addresses, leading to public outrage and heightened awareness about data privacy in India. Businesses also suffer when the consumers feels that the data isn't safe because trust takes years to build, but just one mistake can destroy it in minutes. Number 3, lack of transparency in ad spend and performance metrics. Another major issue is the lack of transparency in ad spending. Imagine pouring thousands of dollars into a campaign only to find out that you have no idea where most of the money went. Did you know that significant portion of online traffic comes from bots? Yes, bots. These fake clicks inflate your numbers but add no real value. And even when you try to dig deeper, you are met with reports that doesn't give you the clarity you need. This lack of transparency makes it almost impossible to optimize your campaign effectively, leaving you to guess what's working and what's not. What do these challenges mean for businesses like yours? Let's understand that. First, ad costs are skyrocketing. As competition for ad space grows, businesses are paying more for fewer results. This drives up costs, makes it harder to achieve a decent return on investment, especially for smaller brands that can't outspend the big companies. Second, loss of customer loyalty because of data misuse. Then there is the issue of trust. Customers are becoming more vocal about their privacy concerns. A single misstep, such as mishandling user data, can lead to a public relations disaster. And in today's world, where competition is just a click away, losing consumer trust can be devastating. These challenges highlight the urgent need for a better, fairer, and more transparent digital marketing ecosystem. This is where Web3 technologies promises to make a huge difference. Stay with me because next I'll show you how these Web3 technologies are solving these problems and paving the way for a more transparent and privacy-focused future. So now you must be wondering, how does Web3 solve these problems? Let's learn it by using a simple 3-step framework. Step 1, empowering data ownership. Step 1 is all about giving users the ownership of their data. In Web2, platforms like Google and Meta collect, store, and use your data without much input from you. But in Web3, thanks to blockchain technology, users can control their data through secure wallets. Here is how it works. Your data gets stored in a wallet, kind of like a digital vault. Instead of platforms having access by default, you can choose who see it and how it's used. For marketers, this is a game changer. Why? Because now, when users share their data, they do it willingly. This builds trust and allows more precise and permission-based targeting. No more second guessing on what your audiences want, you know it directly from them. Let's take an example. Starbucks uses a blockchain-based loyalty program called Starbucks Rewards. Customers earn stars for every purchase, which they can exchange for free drinks or food. The app also collects data on customers' preferences and buying habits, allowing Starbucks to personalize offers. It's a win-win. customer gets rewards, and Starbucks gets valuable insights into their preferences to improve service and offerings. Step 2 is decentralizing advertising. Traditional ad network acts as a middleman, taking a huge cut of your ad budget. But with Web3, decentralized ad networks are changing the game. Decentralized networks remove this middleman, which means lower cost and more control for the brands. You get to choose where your ads appear and have complete visibility over your performance metrics. Plus, without centralized platforms taking your budget, you can invest more in reaching the right audience. Platforms like Brave Browser are already leading the way in decentralized advertising. With Brave, advertisers pay users directly for viewing ads, cutting out middlemen and reducing costs. This creates a more fair system where both users and advertisers benefit, building a more transparent and positive advertising ecosystem. And now, the most exciting part. Tokenization. Tokenization is a fancy term for turning real-world assets or actions into digital tokens. In Web3 marketing, tokens are the currency that fuels engagement. Here is how it works. When a user watches an ad, shares content, and makes purchase, they receive tokens as a reward. These tokens can be used within the brand's ecosystem for discounts, exclusive content, or even access to special events. Take NFTs for example. Gucci has ventured into the NFT space with its Super Gucci collections, offering exclusive digital and physical perks to its NFT holders. This NFT provides access to unique collaborations, limited edition items, and even invitation to exclusive events. It's like a loyalty program, but so much more engaging and personal, which connects customers with a brand on a deeper level. Another great example is the gaming industry. Take Axie Infinity for instance, a blockchain-based games where players earn tokens by completing tasks and challenges. These tokens can be used to purchase in-game items, trade on exchanges, or even convert to real-world currency. It's an engagement model that not only keeps the players hooked, but also offers tangible rewards beyond the game. Alright, now that you have understood how Web3 is transforming the foundation of digital marketing, it's time to discuss the tools that make Web3 marketing not just possible, but incredibly efficient and innovative. First up, blockchain-powered analytics platform. This tools brings a new level of transparency to your marketing campaigns. In blockchain, every data point is recorded in a fixed ledger. This means you can exactly see how your budget is being spent and whether your campaigns are reaching real people or bots. Platforms like Chain Analysis and Dune Analytics are already providing these transparent solutions, helping marketers make data-driven decisions with confidence. Next, we have smart contracts, one of the most powerful tools in the Web3 toolbox. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements where the terms are written directly into the code. Once the agreed conditions are met, the contract automatically executes the next step. Imagine running a campaign with an influencer. Instead of manually tracking the performance and processing payments, a smart contract can handle it all. Once the influencer hits the agreed engagement targets, the contract releases payment automatically. This eliminates disputes, speeds up processes, and ensures trust. Platforms like Ethereum and Solana are leading the way in providing powerful frameworks for creating and deploying smart contracts. Finally, let's talk about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. In Web3 marketing, NFTs go beyond collectibles. They are the tools for building loyalty and creating one-of-a-kind brand experiences. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible are leading the way in helping brands and creators launch NFT campaigns. For instance, Warner Music partnered with OpenSea to create exclusive music-related NFTs, allowing fans to own limited edition album art or VIP access passes. These NFTs not only reward loyalty, but also offers fans a chance to own a piece of their favorite artist's history. So, now the big question is, what does the future of Web3 and digital marketing really hold? First, we will see a massive shift towards personalized, privacy-first marketing. Instead of tracking users across platforms without their knowledge, marketers will prioritize consumers' consent. In Web3, users will have complete control over what data they share, and in return, they will get a more tailored experience. The best part about this is that it builds trust. Next, let's talk about democratization of advertising. Decentralized networks will level the playing field, enabling small businesses to compete with the giant industries. No longer will small brands be at the mercy of big platforms like Google and Meta. Finally, we are seeing the rise of community-led brands. Thanks to tokenization, communities will take center stage in shaping brand narratives and decisions. Brands will no longer solely control their image. Their audiences will become active participants, making decisions through tokenized voting systems and decentralized governance. Let's recap what we have learned. Web3 solves Web2 marketing challenges like privacy issues, high cost, and lack of transparency. It empowers users with data ownership, decentralizes ads, and uses tokenization to drive engagement. And with powerful tools like blockchain analytics, smart contracts, and NFTs, the possibilities for marketers are endless. Now tell me what you think about Web3's impact on digital marketing. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more insights on digital marketing. If you have any questions, then drop them in the comments below and I will be there to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.